This compact iOttie Velox Qi2 Mini Charger delivers reliable 15-watt wireless charging that keeps modern Qi2 and MagSafe compatible iPhones powered efficiently on long drives. The strong magnetic connection locks the phone into ideal alignment, so you get consistent charging without fiddling with clips or worrying about the device slipping off. Its reusable suction base and included dashboard pad make it easy to secure on both windshields and textured dashboards, and it stays put even on rough roads. The telescoping arm and wide pivot range let you fine-tune the viewing position, so navigation and calls remain easy to see without blocking your view of the road. Thoughtful touches like the soft silicone charging surface and ventilation openings help protect your phone from scratches and heat buildup during extended use. Because the charger and car power adapter come together in the box, installation is straightforward, and you can be up and running with fast wireless charging in just a few minutes.